Good morning everyone. I'm Nicole Reyes from COE 232. So, ngayong araw is pag-uusapan natin ang Philippines folk dance and ano nga ba yung nangyari na sa Philippines folk dance sa Pilipinas. So, let's start. Number 1 is Itik-Itik Dance, a Thanksgiving celebration to their patron saint for hearing their prayers. As a part of celebration, the famous Itik-Itik Dance is never forgotten. The performer's choreography includes movement and imitate ducks and other birds. So, Itik-Itik Dance. So, yung ginagawa nila yung Itik-Itik Dance to thank their patron or mag-celebrate sila dahil sila ay may marong masaganang ani. So, next one is the Tinikling Dance. The attempts of Filipino rice farmers to catch and prevent the tickling bird from stealing ripe rice grains from the field. So, lahat naman siguro tayo is familiar na sa Tinikling Dance. And ginagawa yung Tinikling Dance para ma-prevent yung mga tickling birds from stealing their rice or yung mga ani nila galing sa bukid. Next one is Sayaw Bangko. A pair of dancers wear the appropriate attire for the dance as they dance on a narrow bench to symbolize the concept of trust, balance, and overcoming of hardship through simple movements such as leaning, turning, and jumping from one side of the bench to the other side of bench. So, Sayaw Bangko is a couple dance. So, sinisimbolize nung Sayaw Bangko yung trust and balance and yung na-overcome nila or hardship ng relationship nila. So, yun lang. Next is Pandago sa Ilaw. Pandago sa Ilaw is a timeless Philippine folk dance allegedly originate from Mindoro. This stand of light simulates fireflies in the night by balancing lighted cups. So, yung Pandago sa Ilaw is ito yung parang symbolize ng hope sa Philippines. So, Cariñosa ay Spanish pronunciation cariñosa, meaning loving or affectionate. Is a Philippine folk dance originating from Maria Clara, suit of Philippines folk dance where the fan of handkerchief plays an instrumental role as it plays the couple in a romance scenario. So, famous Cariñosa is sinasayaw nila to upang mapakita yung love or affectionate nila sa isa't isa. So, what can you say about Philippines folk dance at this modern age? So, based sa nakikita ko, yung Philippine folk dance natin at this modern age is parang hindi na natin masyadong nakikilala or nawawala na siya. Like, marami na kasing sayaw na nauso or mga kanta na mas maganda ngayong modern age. Pero, parang kinakalimutan na natin yung mga Philippine folk dance natin sa Pilipinas. And nakakalungkot pa is kung nasasayaw na lang siya tuwing may mga okasyon sa lugar na pinanggalingan ng mga folk dance na yon or kung saan siya nagmula. So, yun lang. Thank you.